Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a very interesting chemical product, isopropyl alcohol, also known as isopropanol. This compound has a wide range of use from cleaning to disinfection and even industrial application. However, it's essential to use it with caution due to its flammable nature. In this video from how to, we'll explain what isopropyl alcohol is, what it is used for, and how to use it correctly to get the most out of its application, so join us until the end. Before diving into its use and application, it is important to understand what isopropyl alcohol is. Unlike common ethyl alcohol found in pharmacies, isopropyl alcohol is a chemical compound with various names, such as isopropanol, propanol, or even IP. It is characterized by being colorless and having a strong odor, which can vary depending on the product, although its texture is similar to that of other alcohols. It can become denser. In extremely cold temperatures, it is worth mentioning that this compound is highly flammable and should be handled with care, keeping it away from heat sources. Now, let us talk about its use. Isopropyl alcohol has a variety of applications, with the most common ones related to disinfection and cleaning. Here are some of the standard use. Disinfectant. This type of alcohol is mainly used as a disinfectant, including its application in products such as wipes and hand sanitizing gels. It helps prevent the growth of microorganisms on the skin and is useful for pest control. Cleaning. Isopropyl alcohol is effective for cleaning electronic equipment, making sure they are unplugged and cool, and stain-prone surface. It can also be used on glass, mirrors, blinds, and floors. Pharmacy and medicine. In the field of medicine, it is used to preserve biological samples in laboratories and in cosmetics products to control foam formation. Tonics and purifying masks are examples of this. Automotive. Isopropyl alcohol is added to fuels to improve their quality and is also used to prevent water freezing in vehicles during cool weather. In automotive workshops, it is used to clean grease and oil from surfaces and tools. Industry. This alcohol also has industrial applications such as a solvent in paints, dye resins, and essential oils. Now that we know its applications, let's see how to use correctly, safely, and effectively. To clean surface, electronic equipment, or garments, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to a damp cloth. Then use a dry cloth to achieve hygiene. Always use gloves when handling isopropyl alcohol to avoid skin irritation. Also, never inhale the product directly and store it away from heat sources. In summary, isopropyl alcohol is a versatile chemical compound with a wide range of use, from disinfection to cleaning and industrial application. However, due to its flammability, it is crucial to handle it with caution and follow safety recommendations. We hope this video has provided you with valuable information about isopropyl alcohol and how to use effectively. If you liked the content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Until next time, and thank you very much.